North Kilo India via holding point Foxtrot 2, line up runway 22.
Via Foxtrot 2, line up runway 22, Golf Kilo India.
Just want to time when we are clear to take off.
Yeah.
Just to let whatever wake vortex that helicopter's generated disappear.
Sorry, Mike.
For holding at Echo 1, ready for departure.
Yeah.
Oxford 44,
You could be leaving some substantial...
Position
yeah.
Oxford 44.
What were you suggesting
Golf
we do?
Kilo India, the helicopter head has departed runway 22 is northwest bound, and the helicopter circuit is active right hand.
Can I just
Right
take this
to
one?
north,
Yeah.
runway 22, clear for takeoff, wind 2306.
Understand, clear takeoff, right turn north. Can we just hold for another 30 seconds, just make sure the turbulence dissipates?
Kilo India, firm.
Just a little bit more. Minute since he took off.
Yeah.
I'll give him another 15 or 20 seconds.
Okay.
And we should be okay now. Off we
Yeah.
go.
Okay,
All
we're
right.
right.
Okay.
Strawberry 63, contact approach 128.550. Good day.
Contact approach 128.550, thanks for the help.
Oxford 4, line up runway 22.
Runway 22, Oxford 44.
Well, something's pushing us around.
There is some residual here from it.
Yeah. Gosh, yeah, we really got pushed then.
Yeah.
Wow.
I could see you pushing
Yeah.
against it and it wanted to take you there, didn't it?
Kilo, continue approach.